Okay, so we thought we'd just do a quick video on how we're using these knee ultrasound guided injection phantoms as part of our training program. And you can see here we've got the specimen, and we can see really nicely on this phantom the key landmarks. So if we just freeze the image there, you can see very clearly that we've got the femoral condyle. This is your patella here, and ultimately this is going to be your knee joint recess here, and you would normally have clearly the retinaculum coming across here, and that would be the outside part of your capsule of your knee joint sitting in this triangular area here. So what we're going to try and do with this injection in a moment is actually introduce our needle across the screen, coming in from the medial aspect, as it would be in normal clinical practice, into that joint recess to then do an accurate ultrasound guided knee injection. So if we just again just show you that nicely on these fantastic phantoms that we have for our teaching education. So we've got those key landmarks there, and it's quite nice to externally rotate the knee slightly to help you with your angles here of when you're performing these injections. We're then just going to introduce our needle nicely into the joint recess to inject, and you should see it flush into the joint nicely. Ideally, if there is a bit of fluid there, or the patient has a small effusion of the joint, you can access that quite nicely, and in reality you would be able to sort of come much less deep. You can be able to inject in this area here. We can see that we've got the tip of the needle, we can see the bevel spinning very beautifully there, and then we can withdraw that needle nicely. If we just try that once again, so I'm going to inject in plane. I'm going to rock my probe slightly to help me with my angle. So you can see I've got a slight little bit of sterile gel standoff in the top right hand corner there, and then what you're going to see is the needle just popping in plane, midpoint of the probe, and I'm positioning myself so I can see it straight away, and then we can inject down. A little bit of cross-cut artifact there, which I'm going to correct, and then inject into the joint. So you can see that very nicely on these phantom devices. I mentioned their cross-cut artifact, and that refers to when I haven't got the full tip of the needle in view. So I'm seeing part of the shaft of the needle, and I can try and create it for you now. He says, there we go. So you can see part of the needle on the right, and that looks like the end of the needle tip now, but it's not. It's actually all the way across the screen and actually inside the joint recess at that point. Okay, so that's because my probe is oblique to the needle. I hope that helps.